Unconsciousness leads to long dreams, and dreams show what we hope for, like the innocent world of childhood. It's fantastic at first, but the moment you cognize your dreams, it becomes a nightmare. Dream within a dream. False awakening. When this is repeated, reality and dreams begin to mix, like the medical records are visible in the toy town. Nevertheless, there is no sense of incompatibility. I call it trance.
How does it feel to say goodbye of this tiny cagey town? If you cross the door, our time, our actions so stop. You told me we are friends, but it doesn't seem to be. I couldn't care less. Truth is a little bit sad though. If you think of us, kiss us, wanna see us, promise me to come back to me. It's almost time to go. The time is tick-tick-tock. The alarm is ring wrong. You can raise the memory, but you can't erase the memory.
Time to execution. Love you, don't love you. Drop me, please hurt me. What happened with this me door? Will it get an accident?
Oh, it's almost time to go. The time is tick-tick-tock. The alarm is ring wrong. You can raise the memory, but you can't erase the memory. So we can live in your brain, your brain.
Dreams are erased, but there are things that are often indelible. I call it Rosetta.